Best tanning bedtimes for every skin type. How to tan safely for fast results. Do you dream of a golden, sun-kissed tan but want to avoid damaging your skin? Knowing the right tanning times for your skin type is key to achieving fast, safe, and flawless results. Let's explore how to tan smart, enjoy your glow, and protect your skin. Your skin type determines how much UV exposure it can handle. Fair skin burns more easily, requiring shorter sessions, while deeper skin tones can safely stay in tanning beds longer. Understanding this helps you avoid overexposure and uneven tans, keeping your skin safe and radiant. For fair skin, type 1 to 2, start with 3 to 5 minute sessions, gradually increasing to 8 to 10 minutes if your skin tolerates it. Medium tones, type 3 to 4, can begin with 8 to 10 minutes and extend to 12 to 15 minutes over time. Darker skin tones, type 5 to 6, often begin safely with 12 to 15 minutes. Remember, consistency beats long hours. Avoid pushing maximum times too soon. Follow your salon's recommendations and monitor how your skin reacts to each session. Before tanning, exfoliate gently to remove dead skin cells and ensure even color. Hydrate your skin with a non-scented moisturizer, and always use protective eyewear. A tanning lotion designed for beds can enhance your tan while keeping your skin hydrated and glowing. Don't rush the process by doing back-to-back long sessions. This can cause burns and peeling. Never underestimate UV strength. Skipping SPF for outdoor exposure post-tan increases skin damage. Always respect your skin's limits and prioritize gradual, safe progress over instant gratification. Pay attention to signs like redness, dryness, or sensitivity. If your skin feels irritated, give it time to recover before your next session. Healthy, hydrated skin tans faster and more evenly, so drink plenty of water and care for your body inside and out. Now that you know the right tanning bedtimes and skin-safe techniques, it's time to put it into practice. Share this video with fellow beauty enthusiasts and incorporate these tips into your routine. Treat your skin with love, and you'll achieve that perfect bronze glow responsibly and effortlessly.